Is your Free Fire showing you a black screen on your iPhone? If you're experiencing a black screen while playing Free Fire on your iPhone, try this quick and advanced troubleshooting to fix the problem. Check Update. Open the App Store, tap Profile, scroll down, find out the Free Fire and check for an update. Solution 2. Offload the game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Free Fire game. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Free up storage. Free up storage space. Insufficient storage space on your iPhone might cause performance issues. Try to free up some space by deleting unnecessary apps and files from your iPhone and check whether your problem is solved or not. So you can open up your storage setting on iPhone. After that, you can discover and delete unnecessary apps or games. Now restart your phone and your problem will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.